Here's the Croatian's first rare PHP MV. Double stack 15 round mag, similar to the Beretta 92 style, close to it, different notch though. So you lock the slide to the rear, turn the takedown lever down, release the slide, and the hammer now you get that mark on the slide lined up to the frame. Take the recoil spring out. Push this button. You can take this piece out or you can leave it in until you take the barrel out. But you push this button, tilt the barrel, and you see that little milling on the slide. You gotta line these legs up right here. Looks like it's got a chrome line chamber. Maybe. You can see that little piece has got a little mark. That's where you want to line up to this little wire. And you want to put the barrel with the side up, going into this slide. And then get them legs to go through that milling part of the slide. That's the only way. Push that down. You gotta make sure this lever ain't tilted too far over this way. If it ain't straight up and down, you'll have issue locking it back. It might hang up. You line that mark back up to the frame. Take your recoil spring. You can see a metal guide rod right there. Get it started on that. And you gotta watch out for the extractor. This is kind of a safety decocker. PHP MV 9mm. Kinda rare. They only made them 2 to 3 years. Supposed to mimic the Walter P38 or P39 and the Breda 92.